What's up everybody, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Neti Pot. Now, a Neti Pot is one of these ceramic pot looking things that you can use to help flush your sinuses. This is going to be really good if you are somebody who is suffering a sinus infection, some congestion, maybe you have allergies, or maybe you feel like you need to flush your sinuses for some whatever reason that you may have. So first things first, one of the things that you're going to need to realize is that a lot of people, when they have their sickness, their congestion, their cold, they're going to sniffle inwards, and that's going to get things a lot more clogged in there. So the first thing you want to do is start trying to blow all the snot and congestion outwards. One of these packages will maybe even recommend that you do some exercises before. Now, some of the exercises that you can do before is something simple as kind of pressure points to the sinuses, coming here, pushing in. You can kind of bend down and keeping your head in this position to get some of the sinus pressure to go forward, so that when you take the Neti Pot and do the nasal irrigation, you'll be able to get rid of the congestion. One of the things you're going to need, in this case I have the pre-made packets, is a sinus wash. You're going to need this salt packet. Now this salt packet is a saline solution. The inside of the sinuses are kind of delicate, so regular hot water or cold water or even non-saline water may irritate it, so it's definitely not recommended to do that. So these packets are great. They're already kind of like pre-made, like almost like salt sugar packets. You kind of just put it in here. I like to put it into a cup or into the Neti Pot directly. So I'll just put it right into here. The one thing you're going to want to do for sure is make sure that you have either distilled water or very finely filtered water, okay? So the filtered water I already have, and then I also heat it up. Keep in mind with this, you don't want really, really hot water, but you may want to boil it and let it come back down. It should be around your body temperature, so around 98, 99 degrees. It shouldn't be too hot that it burns the inside of your nose. So I already heated my water up, and I'm gonna just pour this in there. And what I like to do is sometimes I'll test it. So this is actually a little warmer than I like. So you'll just let it, and I'll go in there and I'll let it sit for a little bit. So if this is a little bit warmer, like I said, that I like, I'll let it sit for a little bit, and then I will show you how to use the technique to help rid the sinuses. So now that the water is cooled down to the desired temperature, I'm going to show you the technique that you can use to help release the sinuses with the Neti Pot. So this mixture already has the saline solution and the warm water, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to dip our head about 45 degrees, and then we're going to pour it in through one nostril like this. I might put my head a little forward so that obviously it goes out this way, and we're going to change the camera angle, or we may have to circle around the angle just to show you. We're going to do, usually we do one pot on one side and then one pot on another side, and I always like to have some toilet paper or some sort of tissue paper right by, just so I can wipe my face if I need to, especially if you're really congested. It's a great way to just get rid of that real quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just come here, I'm gonna tilt my head, I'm gonna put the Neti Pot up to the side here, and I'm going to tip my head like this. And it'll come out like this. Just letting it drain. And I like to just kind of blow one side. Normally I would do it all on one side and then do it the other. And just to show you the other way, I want to put it to my nose, tilt my head. Good. So, all right. So that's really simple. Really easy. You're going to want to keep your mouth open so that you can breathe while you do this. This is a great thing because those pockets that I showed you, they do not have any medication in there whatsoever. So it's not going to interact with any of the existing meds that you may or may not be on. So great natural way to help clear the sinuses, improve your breathing, especially after you're coming off of some sort of congestion or maybe allergy. All right, guys. I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.